This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chocolate chip cookies in your air fryer. First, gather all your ingredients like flour, sugar, butter, and chocolate chips. Next, prepare your favorite cookie dough recipe. It's super easy. Then, preheat your air fryer to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your cookies start cooking evenly right away, giving them that perfect texture. Now, let's get those cookies ready for baking. Scoop your cookie dough into small, uniform balls, about 1 tablespoon each. This helps them cook evenly. For easy cleanup, line your air fryer basket with a piece of parchment paper. Then, carefully arrange the dough balls in a single layer, making sure to leave a little space between each one. This allows the hot air to circulate properly. It's time to cook. Place your prepared basket into the preheated air fryer. You'll want to air fry these delightful treats at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. The cooking time will typically be between 5 and 8 minutes. Keep an eye on them. You'll know they're done when the edges are beautifully golden brown and the centers are still slightly soft. Perfection awaits. Almost there. Once your cookies are perfectly baked, carefully remove them from the air fryer basket. They'll be soft, so handle them gently. Transfer them to a wire rack and let them cool for at least 10 minutes. This cooling time is crucial for them to set properly and achieve that ideal chewy texture. Now, grab a glass of milk and enjoy your warm, homemade chocolate chip cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.